The classic book that I am going to be sharing with you today is The First 90 Days, Proven Strategies for Getting Up to Speed Faster and Smarter by Michael D. Watkins. This was also written or published in 2001, same year as Good to Great. It was a great year for leadership and management books, and I think they were the start of the kind of leadership and management books that we are seeing today. And The First 90 Days is all about transitions. I tend to recommend it to people who are transitioning into a new leadership role, but it doesn't necessarily have to be that. It's around the notion that the American president gets 100 days to prove themselves and you only get 90 days, which is roughly a term. Is that right? 10 5s are 50. No, it's roughly a semester. And it is all about transitioning, which is really important, particularly if you're transitioning out of a teacher leader role or a subordinate role into a leadership role, and the sorts of things that you need to be aware of in order to establish your success in that first 90 days. So there's around preparing yourself, accelerating your learning. It's about learning to match your strategy to the situation, which is that situational leadership that I love. Being sure that you understand from your line manager what success looks like, what they're looking for, and how they will be assessing or evaluating your success. It's about ensuring those quick wins so that you get some runs on the board. It also talks about how to build your team, create alliances, and the bit that I always love is how to manage yourself. So great little read, particularly those who are transitioning into new roles. The First 90 Days by Michael D. Watkins.